Sponsored by RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. RxCardClub.com. How long does Imodium stop diarrhea for? Imodium will usually help to slow down your acute diarrhea in the first hour, but if your diarrhea continues you may need to take additional doses in the same day. Take no more than the recommended maximum dose per day. If your symptoms worsen or you have diarrhea that lasts for more than 2 days, contact your healthcare provider. Most people only need to take Imodium for a day or two. Longer-lasting diarrhea or diarrhea that consistently comes and goes might mean you have an underlying medical condition, so you should talk to your doctor. Be sure to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of clear fluids like oral rehydration solutions such as Pedialyte. These products generally contain a specific mixture of salt, glucose and water to help replace lost carbohydrates and electrolytes. Imodium AD, loperamide, is available as an over-the-counter, OTC, product at pharmacies, grocery stores and other retail shops to treat diarrhea, including traveler's diarrhea. It comes OTC as an oral tablet, caplet, oral capsule, softgel, and oral solution. Some products can be used for children 6 years of age and older. Generic loperamide capsules are still available by prescription, but they are the same strength as the generic OTC caplets or softgels, 2 mg. Follow the dosing directions for your specific Imodium AD product. Do not take more than the recommended dose on the drug facts label. Taking more Imodium than recommended can lead to dangerous heart problems. If you have any questions, ask your pharmacist or doctor. You should not use any Imodium or loperamide product if you have ulcerative colitis, bloody or tarry stools, diarrhea with a high fever, or diarrhea caused by antibiotic medication. Learn more. What are the side effects of Imodium AD? Why do I get diarrhea? Diarrhea can be short-term or long-term. Short-term diarrhea is usually associated with a stomach bug or flu, bacterial or viral infection, gastroenteritis, or food or drink poisoning. This type of diarrhea will usually clear up in a few days. Gastroenteritis is an inflammation of the stomach and intestines that often occurs with infections. Traveler's diarrhea is often caused by bacterial food poisoning, such as with E. coli. Other risks for acute diarrhea include medications, travel-related illnesses or stress. Women can have diarrhea around the time of their period due to hormonal changes. Long-term diarrhea may be due to medical conditions like diarrhea-predominant irritable bowel syndrome, IBS-D, or Crohn's disease. Contact your doctor if your diarrhea lasts longer than 2 days for an evaluation and diagnosis. Can I use Imodium if I have diarrhea from COVID? If you have diarrhea, ask your doctor if Imodium is an appropriate treatment if you are positive for COVID. Some people may need prescription medicines for COVID within 5 days of symptom onset, so contact your doctor immediately if you test positive. If you are experiencing symptoms of COVID, such as fever, cough, headache, shortness of breath, runny nose, or diarrhea or other stomach side effects, test for COVID at home or at the pharmacy, or ask your doctor right away if you should test for COVID. Studies have shown that stomach, digestive tract, symptoms like diarrhea, loss of appetite, nausea, vomiting and stomach pain can occur in patients with COVID-19. Related questions: how to stop diarrhea, any medicine or remedy suggestions? What are some tips for treating diarrhea? Should you take probiotics with antibiotics? Which Imodium product should I use? There are many Imodium AD options to choose from. There are products for adults, children over age 6 and even combination products to help with associated gas and diarrhea. Refer to the product labeling for dosing. Do not use any OTC Imodium products in children 2 years of age or younger, up to 33 pounds, Imodium AD caplets. Capsule-shaped tablets taken by mouth. Contains 2 mg of loperamide per caplet. Used for the short-term, temporary treatment of diarrhea, including traveler's diarrhea, in adults and children 6 years of age and older. Ask your doctor for use in children 2 to 5 years of age. 34 to 47 pounds, Imodium AD SoftGels. Liquid-filled capsules taken by mouth. Contains 2 mg loperamide per soft gel. Used for the short-term, temporary treatment of diarrhea, including traveler's diarrhea, in adults and children 12 years of age and older. Not for use in children under 12 years of age. Imodium AD Oral Solution. Liquid solution taken by mouth. Contains 1 mg loperamide per 7.5 ml, used for the short-term, temporary treatment of diarrhea, including traveler's diarrhea, in adults and children 6 years of age and older. Ask your doctor for use in children 2 to 5 years of age. 34 to 47 pounds, may be helpful if you or your child has trouble swallowing pills. Following dosing on chart in package. Shake well. If possible, use weight to dose, otherwise use age. Only use the dosing cup included to measure a dose. Imodium multi-symptom relief caplets. Capsule-shaped tablet taken by mouth. Each caplet contains 2 active ingredients, loperamide 2 mg for diarrhea and simethicone 125 mg for associated gas, bloating, cramps and pressure. Simethicone is an anti-flatulent, anti-gas, agent. Used for the short-term, temporary treatment of diarrhea, including traveler's diarrhea, and gas, in adults and children 6 years of age and older. Take only on an empty stomach, 1 hour before or 2 hours after a meal, and take with a full, 8 ounces, glass of water. Following dosing on chart in package. If possible, use weight to dose, otherwise use age. Imodium AD for children 6+. Liquid solution taken by mouth. Contains 1 mg loperamide per 7.5 ml, used for the short-term, temporary treatment of diarrhea, including traveler's diarrhea, in children ages 6 and up. Ask your doctor for use in children 2 to 5 years of age. 34 to 47 pounds, may be helpful if you or your child has trouble swallowing pills. Following dosing on chart in package. Shake well. If possible, use weight to dose, otherwise use age. Only use the dosing cup included to measure a dose. Is there a generic for Imodium? Most Imodium products are available as a generic on the shelves, loperamide, which might save you some money. If you do not see them on the shelves, ask your pharmacist. Loperamide and simethicone is also available as a generic, in a chewable tablet or oral tablet you swallow, to help with diarrhea and associated gas. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.